got my chicken scratch. But today we go out and see the chickens. People are sled riding up the road. It's a slick one, that's for sure. All the jerseys are out. Ooh, there's not much breeze, but when it does come, it's chilly. Hi. Well, hello. Hello. How are you? Can I come in? Am I allowed to come in? Yeah, I am. Well, come on. Come on. These are my cuckoo Morans, olive egger, my blue Jersey giant rooster named Little Boy Blue, my 2 lavender Orpingtons over there, those are the gray ones. I have a couple Americanas and a Jersey in there, another Jersey, a little black Jersey hen. They know what time it is. They want their scratch, don't ya? You want your scratch? Even though it's, 20 degrees outside, snow all over the ground. These guys here have plenty of dry bedding. We need to come in and toss it. Huh, baby? What? This is speckles and eggs. So this is eggs here, and that's speckles. I know, I hear ya. You want some? Yeah? These are the cuckoo Morans. When I come out like this, I'm looking at their combs, making sure nobody's got any frostbite, which they all look good. All their feet look good. There's no frostbite there. As long as, all right, hang on, let me share, so they don't fight. As long as, you keep the bedding dry. We do deep bedding, so we don't remove the manure. We, kind of create mulch right here in their bedding by layering it and turning it so that it stays dry, but so that underneath it can start decomposing. And that decomposition, like in their coop, actually helps keep them warm. What's that, Little Boy Blue? But this is their evening dinner, or snack, I should say. What I give them to help generate their metabolism of the evening, so when they go in to the coop, it actually helps them stay warmer throughout the evening when the temperatures drop the lowest. You share back there. There you go. I'm not doing nothing, big boy. You relax. So, I kept all kinds of roosters. Had a olive egger rooster, and we've had an Americana rooster. We bred and created our own olive egger rooster and Jersey giant roosters. So all the other roosters were jerks. They just were not friendly at all. So we've had a lot of luck with our jerseys. So we decided to put little boy Blue in here, which is a blue Jersey giant. He's only about 7 months old, if you can believe it. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Let me get up. I'm going to check eggs and let you enjoy a little chicken vision. My eggs here, we can see them. There's a green egg here that came from one of my olive eggers, probably Wedgie, which is a chicken we hatched from our old rooster Reggie, who was mean, and Widow, who's a black Australorp right there, and they produced her. Right there, beautiful little bearded olive egger. Oh, baby. What? You love mommy. Yeah, you love mommy, don't you? Everybody else don't love mommy. Got some Rhode Island blues back there. The dark egg here is actually from the cuckoos here. They lay this beautiful dark brown egg. Their eggs are still kind of small because they're still young. They're, like I said, right around 7 months old, 8 months old. So them staying hydrated is another way they stay warm. So it's just important that we constantly keep fresh water out for them when the temperatures are low. But, you know, I've had comments of, maybe they should be in the barn. It's so cold outside. Are you sure they're warm in that little bitty coop out there with all that snow? I assure you, they're warm. They're in a pretty draft-free mobile coop. Sean makes sure that he seals it up pretty good. Hang on here. There it goes. He seals up pretty good, and we do the deep bedding in there as well, so that helps keep them warm. And then, of course, creating our beautiful plastic shelter that I'm sure the neighbors really love seeing out here in the fall and winter, but it's only a few months out of the year. Hopefully they don't mind. No one's complained, so I try to give them good eggs and be a helpful, loving neighbor, and then so far so good. No one's complained. And lucky about the orange fence. The school colors are orange and black, so it kind of goes in too, but we have new electric poultry netting coming, which I'll do a video about that when it gets here. And all the orange fencing will be gone, except for a little bit around the gardens come spring, summer. Keep the rabbits out. Come on. Hi, baby. So, these are the Jersey Giant flock. I keep this flock separate because it keeps them true to their breed. I don't have any other breeds of bird in here at all. Here, baby. He's a big boy. This is Daphne. We got him as a baby chick from North Carolina. But these are an American breed of chicken, all the way back from the 1800s. They come in white, black, blue, and splash. And we have black and blue. And I'm not sure, but I believe she might be a splash. Miss Onyx back here, who's the kind of dark gray sapphire looking one. Mr. Daphne was supposed to be a girl, hence the name Daphne. Come here, good boy, show off. Want to show off here? Here, baby. Want some? He got in a fight with our other rooster when we first started getting chickens. And they got together, and the other rooster, the olive egger, got him in the eye, and he ended up losing a lot of his vision in that left eye. He didn't lose the eye, it's still there. But he actually, because of the eyelid, he likes the sunflower seeds, are his favorite. I think it's all their favorites. But the hens weigh about 10 pounds average, and the males get upwards 13 average. He's probably a good 13 pounds. He's pretty darn close. But these are actually a pretty good dual-purpose breed because they're really pretty good egg layers. Well, it's Susu. We get over 200 a year from each hen, so in my opinion, that's pretty good, and they're all pretty extra large eggs. They say large to extra large. I don't know. I've got exceptional hens. They're large. But the problem why they didn't take off as a meat bird is because they're not good. What are you doing? Are you okay over there? They're not good meat converters. So they're slow to convert the food that you give them into the weight of meat you would need to butcher. However, with that said, if you're okay waiting a little bit on your butcher time and you don't mind a slower growing bird, these birds are super friendly, super docile, and let me tell you, they make great roasting birds. Their legs and thighs are really substantial. They don't have really large breast meat, but that's okay. It's there. It's just not huge breast meat like you normally see in your supermarket. He's a pretty big boy. This is one of our original hens here, also eating out of my hand. Her name's either Scrappy or Velma. They're both black, so I can't tell who's who, but that's the other one there. That also will eat out of my hand. Alright, let me give you some autographs. So y'all can share. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Yeah, alright, let me. He's just eating all of the sunflower seeds out of my hand. Alright. Alright, baby. See how big he is standing next to me. He's a big baby. Ain't ya? He's a big boy. Alright. I'm on the through. Give it over here. They're pretty cool birds. Very friendly. Super easy to keep care of. Whoa! Hey, sorry, big boy. I'm even more sorry for my phone because it just fell out and landed in chicken shit. Ew! Gross. Chicken poop phone. Let's get that off there the best we can for now. That was not good. Ew, chicken poop. Let's go see if they left us any eggs. We got a few. We got 3. Well, I got this open. I'll show you what their coop looks like on the inside so you can see how warm they are. Yeah. That's their mobile coop. You can see they got their roofs. They got plenty of straw for bedding and wood shavings. Draft free, except for, of course, now the door's open. They're pretty well taken care of, chickens. All the birds that we have are pretty cold hardy birds. Now in the summer months though, it's a little more worrisome because, you know, we get a few weeks here in Ohio that it's pretty darn hot and humid. So that's when I worry about my chickens not being able to regulate their temperature and overheating and stressing out and having a heart attack and dying on me, because that actually happened. Not once, but twice. And it's disheartening when you lose birds that you take such good care of to stupid things like the weather. You know, but it just don't take them long to get overheated in the sun if they don't have enough shade or enough air breeze circulating. So the nighttime ritual is pretty easy because I do the eggs earlier in the day. It's a lot easier to do the nighttime chores. It's just a matter of making sure their food's put up in their barrels and that their water bowls aren't empty, but not full either, because leave them on so they don't freeze. And shut their doors. Ooh, almost took my head off. And as you can see, all the giants are already in their coop, waiting on me. Kiddos. Hi. And shut you. Make sure you're locked. Okay. Come down in here and unhook the food. Oops. And then once I unhook the food, I bring it out here and stick it in this garbage tote. Make sure it's locked down and they're put away. I don't know if you can see the sunset, but it's gorgeous out there. So pretty. Really pretty. You're going in. Yeah, no dilly-dally. So it's the same with them. Get inside. Go on, baby. Get inside. And with them, I pull what they scraped out of their coop in, and then just make sure that the door can close all the way. Like this snow. It's been interesting. And, gotta dig more snow. Maybe. It's important that this, there it goes. It's important that latches, because I don't want any predators coming and prying that door open. The same with like their egg box latches. I make sure that they stay closed as well. Same with them. They have their own little tote as well, where we keep their feed and put their feeders at night. baby. There it goes. So it's so pretty. But, so this is the nightly chores, and that's it. That's all she wrote. I come out in the evening about 4 o'clock and collect eggs and give them some scratch so that they can eat before they go to bed. And then come back out again at dusk, and they start going in and close them up, take their food up, make sure that no other critters can get to it. And that's it until in the morning when Sean gets up and we give him fresh water. Well, he gives them fresh water, and he lets them out. And then before he goes to work every day, he also puts scratch out in the morning for them to get their day started. And that's it. Chickens are so easy, and they're so much fun. Hopefully you enjoyed my chicken videos. I'm going to try to make them informative when I can. This video was more about, me wanting to introduce you to my ladies. I'll try to go through some of the different breeds as I do that. This video was on those Jersey Giants. So, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks. Until next time, have a great night.